The Renault Espace, and there's a watermelon under the car, so I don't want to start the engine, but instead I want to push it. So to push the car, press the start button twice, once and another one. Okay, and the second time the dashboard turns on, you have to remove it from park. So step on the brake, put it into N, that is neutral, N is mentioned there, neutral. Now the parking brake is pulled, so that is holding the car. I let go of the brake, the car is not moving. Now pull out this one and press the button, and the car should move. The red sign is blinking, so I'm going to push the car. The wheel is too close. Okay, it's moving a little bit. So pull that to pull the handbrake. And there's the watermelon. Push the brake, hold the button and put it back to park. It's in P, park. Okay, now press the button again and the dashboard should turn off. That's it. How to move your car without starting the engine.